Did you know that you have tons of options for customizing your mouse settings? In this tech tip, I'll show you all the options you can change about your mouse pointer. Let's get started. Luckily, your computer makes it easy to change a variety of elements for your mouse pointer in your settings. To start, type the word mouse into your computer's search bar. You'll be directed to a section titled Mouse Settings. Click this item to pull up the full menu. From here, you can make a number of changes to your mouse. The primary mouse button lets you decide which side of the mouse you would prefer to use when clicking. Additionally, mouse pointer speed lets you fine-tune your mouse speed to a faster or slower setting. Next, the scrolling section lets you choose how many lines to scroll when using your mouse wheel, giving you greater flexibility while browsing. Finally, let's take a look at the mouse pointer menu. From this section, you can choose your mouse pointer from a selection of presets and change the size according to your needs. Pointer options include an all-white pointer, an all-black pointer, a pointer that inverts based on the color background, and a fully customizable color pointer. You'll never have to worry about losing track of your mouse pointer again with these great accessibility options. We hope these settings help you fine-tune your mouse to your preferences. Make sure to subscribe and catch more of our tech tips, and please reach out if you have any questions on the technology at your organization. We'll see you on the next one.